Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 17B of chapter 17, construction of quadrilaterals. One question is written here. Question number 1. Construct a parallelogram ABCD. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equal to 5.2 cm, BC equal to 4.7 cm and AC equal to 7.6 cm. So first of all, I draw a rough sketch of parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C and D. AB equal to 5.2 cm. AB equal to 5.2 cm. BC equal to 4.7 cm. 4.7 cm. And AC diagonal. Diagonal AC equal to 7.6 cm. We know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. Now, first of all, draw a line segment AB of 5.2 cm. AB 5.2 cm. After that, take an arc AC BC 4.7 cm and cut from point B one arc 4.7 cm. Again, also take an arc 7.6 cm from a cut it point C. So meet point B and C and A and C. BC 4.7 cm and AC 7.6 cm. Now we have to fix point D. BC 4.7 cm arc cut from A and AB 5.2 cm, CD also 5.2 cm, cut from C and R. Midpoint. This construction is completed. This construction has completed. Students, understand and construct it. Students, next question is question number 4 of exercise 17B. In this question, construct a parallelogram ABCD in which BC equal to 5 cm, angle BCD equal to 120 degree and CD equal to 4.8 cm. First of all, draw a rough sketch parallelogram ABCD. Taken here A, B and C. ABCD. Because base BC, take base BC. BC is 5 cm. So ABC, BC 5 centimeter. Angle BCD, this angle is 120 degree and CD equal to 4.8 cm. 4.8 cm. We know that opposite sides are equal. So BC equal to AD and CD equal to AB here. Now construct it. First of all, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment BC 5 centimeter. BC 5 centimeter. Now form angle, draw an angle BCD 120 degree with the help of protractor and pair of compass also. Middle point fix here and one arc 60 degree, 120 degree. Take an arc CD 4.8 cm. Cut here. D 4.8 cm. Here 5 cm. And this angle is 120 degree. Now from D, AD 5 cm and AB 4.8 cm, midpoint and parallelogram. Students, understand and construct it. Students, next question is question number 7 of exercise 17B. In this question, construct a parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal AC equal to 3.8 cm, diagonal BD equal to 4.6 cm, and the angle between AC and BD is 60 degree. So draw a rough sketch. A, B, C and D. Diagonal AC 3.8 cm. So diagonal bisect each other. 3.8 cm and this side of second diagonal BD is 4.6 cm. 4.6 cm. And angle between AC and BD 4.6 cm and angle between AC and BD is 60 degree. So first of all इस कंस्ट्रक्शन को अलग मेथड से बनाया जाएगा. सबसे पहले डायगोनल AC ड्रा करना है. ड्रा डायगोनल AC 3.8 cm. Draw a line segment of 3.8 cm. Diagonals bisect each other. So on AC, draw a perpendicular bisect. Take an arc more than half and meet by false line here. Now the angle between diagonal AC and BD is 60 degree. So form here angle of 60 degree. Diagonal bisect each other. So next diagonal BD is 4.6 cm and half of 4.6 is 2.3. So take an arc of 2.3 cm and cut from here this side and below also. A here B, C and D. Meet AB, CD, AD and BC also. Here angle is 60 degree. Diagonal 3.8 cm and this diagonal 4.6 cm. Understand and construct it. Students, next question is question number 8 of exercise 17b. In this question, construct a rectangle ABCD. Construct a rectangle ABCD whose adjacent sides are 11 cm and 8.5 cm. First of all, draw a rough sketch of rectangle ABCD. 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 We know that the opposite sides of rectangle are equal and each angle is right angle. Adjacent side AB and BC. AB 11 cm and BC 8.5 cm. Construct it. First of all, draw a line segment of AB AB 11 cm. From point on the point at point A and at point B. Construct a right angle 90 degree. Construct angle of 90 degree with the help of protractor and pair of compass also. So I construct with the help of pair of compass 60 degree, 120 degree, bisect it, 90 degree. Here also are 60, 90 degree. And at the same side, BC is 8.5 cm. So take an arc of 8.5 cm and cut from point at point B is C, and from A also cut it here D. Meet C and D 8.5 cm. Students, understand and construct it. Today your homework is solve exercise 17b question number 1 to 8. Thank you. That's all.